Capricorn, hi! Welcome to Miss the Queen PH at ito ang inyong monthly reading for November 2024. So, let's see what's coming to you. And if you're interested in private readings, meron tayong link sa description at sa pinned comment. Paka-check nyo na lang information kung paano mag-book for a private reading. Okay, let's see Capricorn, what's coming to you ngayong November 2024 Capricorn. Okay, may Wunyo rito. Wunyo is about joy, happiness, pleasure, bliss. So, maaring ngayong November, you will have a lot of fun. Pwedeng you will go out to go to places, no? Pupunta ka sa mga lugar na kung saan mag-enjoy ka. Oo, maaring you will bring out the child in you or heal your inner child. Ganon. So, maaring yung mga simple joys, pwede rin yan. Yung mga bagay na nagpapasaya sa'yo. Yung iba sa inyo, you will have the vacation that you've been wanting for. Yung bakasyon na kung saan parang wala ka ibang iniisip kundi yung masarap na pagkain na kinain mo dun sa bakasyon na yun or yung magandang view na nakikita mo. Okay? So, there's happiness, there's bliss that you will experience ngayong November. You also have Uthila. So, Uthila is about inheritance. So, yung iba sa inyo, baka meron kayong mamanahin ngayong November. If you are expecting for an inheritance from your lolo, lola, your parents, or someone might be giving you inheritance without you knowing. Di ba merong I believe merong kasambahay, I think sa US or sa ibang, basta ganon, Pinoy siya, na siya yung nag-alaga doon sa kanyang amo and then nung namatay yung amo niya, pinamanahan siya. Yung mga ganon, na something unexpected for some of you. Yung iba naman, pwedeng meron kayong mga kailangang ayusin related to your properties. Kasi itong Uthila is also about properties. Real estate properties, let's say bahay, lupa, no, na kailangan mong ayusin yung documents or anything na may issue about your lupa or bahay ngayong November. I also see na pwede rin yung iba sa inyo may ma-acquire kayong properties. It's either letting go of a property or acquiring a property ngayong November. Okay? So, for some of you naman, you also have, meron kayong learning, no? May pag-aaralan kayo, meron kayong bagong kaalaman na maaring maging dahilan para mapaunlad nyo yung sarili nyo or mas mapaunlad nyo pa yung situation nyo ngayon, let's say sa business, sa trabaho, sa career ninyo. Because Perthro is about cup, a cup na, yung parang i-fill up mo yung cup na yon for, filling up love, knowledge, at kung ano-ano pa, no? This is also about your instinct, your intuition. So, I see you na mas magiging connected sa yung instincts, sa intuition mo, sa iyong, yung iyong pakiramdam, no? You may have strengthened psychic abilities. And when it comes to making decision, mas magiging madali para sa'yo na mag-decide dahil alam mo agad kung alin doon yung makakabuti para sa'yo. And, syempre, makakaiwas ka rin sa mga bagay na alam mong hindi makakabuti sa'yo. Because your instinct is going to tell you na, oops, Capricorn, don't do that. Hindi yan, wag yan, iwasan mo yan. Ganon. Okay? You have trees, community. Oy. You will be part of a community or maaring mas lalago yung community that you are in. So, kung ito ay sa inyong business, mas dadami yung mga followers, yung mga clients mo, subscribers, whatever community you are in. If you are nasa public service ka, maaari ring mas maraming mga taong maniniwala sa iyong mga kakayanan, magtitiwala sa iyong mga adhikain, kumbaga, no? If you are into politics. I also see you going out more, connecting with other people that will help you na parang mapalawak yung network mo. Sabi nga nila, your network is your net worth. You also have Sun and the Moon. This is union. Pwedeng iba sa inyo, you will get into a very serious relationship. You will connect with I see this as a reconnection sa mga family members na matagal mo nang hindi nakakasama. Kasi itong energy ng Othila is about family as well. Okay? And pwede rin tong if you are looking for a romantic relationship, pwedeng new connection for you. If you are already in a relationship, mas maaring magiging stronger yung bond mo with your person, lalo na if you will be spending more time with your person, na doing fun things, no? Yung mga bagay na masasaya lang. Speaking of masasaya, may humor dito. You have energy ng monkey. I think you will enjoy more ngayong November, Capricorn. I think you're going to loosen up, no? Kung dati masyado kang seryoso sa buhay, ngayong November, you are going to just enjoy whatever you have right now and be grateful for what you have, na mas pipiliin mo na maging masaya. You have the Seven of Pentacles. This is waiting for fruition. Kung meron kang hinihintay na pera or resulta ng pinaghirapan mo, kailangan mong maging patient kasi hindi man to dumating ngayong November, parating na siya. Oo, kasi that is about being patient. Na may tamang panahon for harvest time, na kung saan makukuha mo yung bunga ng pinaghirapan mo, na nasa tamang siya, bunga, pagbunga, ganon. Tama ba? Kumbaga, tamang panahon na mahinog siya. You have the Emperor, so you are fully in control of your life. I also see merong kang malaking responsibility ngayong November. This can be sa work mo, sa trabaho, sa career mo. But I also see you na mas magiging committed sa mga pinapasok mong responsibilidad. You also have the Knight of Swords. So, mas magiging mabilis kang kumilos ngayong November. I think marami kang gustong ma-accomplish ngayong November. Kung medyo naging slow yung mga trabaho mo, yung ginagawa mo, parang wala kang parang nung mga nakaraan wala ka masyadong interest, or parang hindi ka ganun ka-excited about a lot of things. So, ngayong November, parang ito yung time na parang mas kikilos ka, mamadaliin mo yung mga bagay na gusto mong gawin. You have the Five of Cups. Meron ditong acceptance. I see this as accepting yung mga bagay na hindi mo na kontrolado. May times na you may regret, no? Maaring may pagsisisi sa mga bagay na nagawa mo, mga bagay na hindi mo inasikaso, or mga bagay na isiniwalang bahala mo, hindi mo inintindi. And I think you realize na parang you have learned your lesson from that, no? And now I see you moving on. Kasi kung ano pa yung natitira para sa'yo, yun yung dadalhin mo para makapagsimula muli. Speaking of pagsisimula muli, you have the Page of Pentacles. So, some of you are starting a new life, a new career, a new business. Can be a new relationship. But I see you na nakikita mo yung yung pag-asa, yung pagkakataon na magtalim ulit or sumubok ulit ng bago. Yung iba sa inyo, alam nyo na kung ano yung kulang. Alam nyo na kung ano yung kailangan nyong paghandaan or improve sa sarili ninyo. Some of you ay magte-training, meron kayong pag-aaralan para mas madagdagan yung inyong kaalaman. May recognition. Yung iba sa inyo, you will recognize for your work, for the things you've done. Pwedeng may rewards, may award na marireceive ka. May exploration din, Ito yung sinasabi ko sa inyo na maaring part ng happiness, ng joy, ng bliss ay travel for some of you. Traveling to different places, exploring new places, and you will also focus on family. Yan yung isa sa magiging center mo ngayong November. Spending time with your family, with your loved ones. I think yan yung talaga nagbibigay sa'yo ng happiness yung family mo. Ooh, there are some changes in your life. Moon. And then, This is dissatisfaction. I feel like ito yung ano, itong dissatisfaction na to, yung iba sa inyo parang feeling nyo may kulang or parang hindi ka ganun ka-satisfied sa situation mo. Yun yung time na gagawa ka na ng action para may magbago sa situation mo. Okay? So, kumbaga, hindi mo hintayin na yung pagbabago dumating sa'yo, ikaw ang mismo ang gagawa ng action para sa pagbabago na yan. Okay? So, final message for you, Capricorn. Okay. Discerning and practical choices bring security in life and love. Wow. So, mas magiging practical ka sa mga choices mo, mas pag-aaralan mo yung mga decisions mo, and at the same time, yung instinct mo, yung strengthened na instinct mo, intuition mo, will also help you na mag-guide ka sa mga best possible decisions mo in the future, especially ngayong November. Okay? So, that is your reading, Capricorn. Thank you so much. Bye!